In this video, we will be looking at March 2011 data analysis.
We will cover graphs,
error bars,
The centroid,
maximum and minimum gradients,
the intercepts,
and the uncertainties on those.
First, we have plotted this point. Now Josh will add the uncertainty, +8 and -8. So you'll count up 8 units, as so, and then draw a line in between.
Tom will now explain about the centroid.
To calculate the centroid, you need to work out the mean of the x values and the y values. So, to calculate the mean of the x values, you do 5.9 times 10 to the minus 3 plus 3.5 times 10 to the minus 3 plus whatever, all over, in this case, 6, which would equal 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3. Then you calculate the mean of the y values, so 215 plus 125 plus 94 plus whatever, all over 6 in this case again, which all equals 92.7. Now, when you plot this point, it should be where the minimum and maximum gradient cross, and so that's what the centroid is used for, to help you plot that. You don't need to worry about plotting an uncertainty for this either, because there isn't one.
Now we're going to look at maximum and minimum gradients. Hello there. Now we've finished plotting our graph, we're going to plot the maximum and minimum gradients. So first we're going to plot the minimum gradient. It's going to go from the top of the first error bar to the bottom of the last error bar. So I'm going to use Tom and his ruler to draw the minimum gradient. Like that. Keeping the ruler steady. Like so. And then for the maximum gradient, we need to go from the bottom of the first error bar to as high up the last error bar as we can. You've got to remember that the gradient's got to go through all the error bars of all your points. So using Tom's ruler again, from the bottom of the first error bar to the top. Like so. And you should find that the two gradients will cross somewhere around the middle. And if you marked on the centroid, then your x bar and your y bar, then they cross there. Okay. Now that we've plotted the two gradients, we need to work out the mean gradient. We do this with the equation m max, so your maximum gradient plus your minimum gradient, over 2. And then for the uncertainty of the gradient, we use the equation m max minus m min over 2. Now we're going to work out the average y-intercept. So to do this, we're going to use the same equation as we used to find the average gradient, or the mean gradient. So we'll do this by y max plus y min over 2, and that will give us our average. And then we need to work out the uncertainty as well. So the same equation as before. So y max minus y min over 2 will be our uncertainty for the y-intercept. Thank you for watching. Unfortunately, Josh couldn't be here for the second round of taking. And also thanks to Molly for filming. Goodbye. Hello there. Hello there. We've just plotted our graph. Now it's time to draw the maximum and minimum gradients. Hello there. You've just caught us plotting our graph, and we've done our uncertainties now. So now it's time for the maximum and the minimum gradient. Stop it!